Hello, welcome back to the Toure TV. I pray you are well and I pray you are doing great. Most importantly, you, the Black family. Remember, I am because you are, and you are because I am. Ubuntu, Ubuntu, Ubuntu. Power to the Black nation, Black Africa. I'm so happy today because some things played out within the week on the continent and in France. First and foremost, the French president got slapped in France by a French citizen. I'm so happy, I'm so happy about it. But my disappointment is only one thing, that the person who did slap him was not a black person. I wish it was a black. My happiness will have exceeded this. Honestly, I'm happy. Very happy. Now let's get to the matter at hand. A Chinese citizen in Sierra Leone attacked a government official who is trying to assess the welfare of the workers of the company or the factory, and in so doing the Chinese national attacked the government official, which in turn the government official also retaliated. I know very well that had it been this Chinese national had a gun in his hand, he would have definitely shot this man and nothing will happen.
你先动手啊！你他妈的再动手，我打死你！滚！Hey, left, hey. Leave him, he's on record. Hey. He's on record, leave him.
If you recall, they recently bought a part of Sierra Leone, a very huge part, for $55 million. They paid for it. I know there are some disagreements here and there with the locals or with my fellow brothers and sisters over there who said they did not agree with that deal. Yet the government went ahead. This has to stop. You know you can never dare to go to China in order to maltreat a government official of China. You can never do it as a black man. You never try it. But the sheer audacity with which these people have been attacking us in China and in Africa calls for something to be done, and it has to be done urgently. We have to do it urgently. If not, the problem that we are facing is a dire one. We are in a dire situation as I speak now, and our governments, various governments of Africa on the whole continent, we all know they are all being bought by the Chinese. Can you imagine a Chinese state, as small as it is compared to Africa, is buying Africa bit by bit, buying it chunk by chunk at a time. And recently, they also reversed their law that their citizens can have a third child from 1 to 2 to 3. This second and third child are the ones that are going to conquer us if we don't take time. It is high time we get our things, our acts right, do our homework, and know what we are after. This has been going on for quite long, but in this day and age, there is nothing they are going to do which will go unchecked. Thanks to the internet. We are seeing everything they are doing today, and we can match them and follow them up immediately. The people who have the foresight, the likes of Dr. Arikana, Chihombori Kwao, the likes of Appiano Lumumba, the likes of Julius Malema, and so on and so forth, not forgetting my honorable father, Mr. Maponga J, who have the insight and the foresight of seeing what is facing us as Africans. And they have been talking about it, they have been doing their best, they have been trying their best to see that the African leaders sit up, yet none of them is moved, because almost all of them are being bought by the Western world, most especially the French government. So it is high time we match them up, like in the words of Wodemaya, He said it's high time we begin to do something instead of sitting down and keep on wailing and complaining. Why can't we wake up and begin to do something? Be the change that you want to see in Africa. It is high time we do it by ourselves. We can do it and we have to do it. And if we don't do it, we will be done. Until next time, I say, we are together.